Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to online mathematics class. So in the last class we have discussed about some standard results of sum and difference of the two angles. In today's class we are going to discuss about sin 2x. So here for sin 2x we have two formulas, 2 sin x into cos x and then 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So we are going to derive these two results. So see here we know that sin of x plus y which is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ y by x. ಸೊ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ y by x. Y by x. That means in the place of y we have to write x in the LHS as well as in the RHS. So sin of x I will be writing it as it is. In place of y I have to write x, then which is equals to, so here it is sin x, then cos y must be replaced by x. We get cos x plus cos x, and then here sin y, in place of y I have to write x. We get sin x. So see here, these two terms are repeating. See here, sin x cos x and sin x cos x. So for example, it is in the form of AB plus BA. So here AB, this can be written as AB. AB plus AB will be 2 times AB. 2 times AB. Now sin x plus x will be 2x, which is equals to this can be written as 2 times sin x into cos x. 2 times sin x into cos x. So this is the double angle formula for sine. So here we have angle x, that is why I have written x here. In case if it is theta, sin 2 theta which is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So let us derive the second result. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin 2x ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ sin 2x ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 2 tan x ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 plus tan square x ಅದ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ so here we have to consider this result now. Sin 2x which is equals to 2 sin x into cos x. ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದಾಗ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದ್ರಿ ನಾವು. there will be 1 in the denominator. So I write 1 here. Well, so here in the denominator, in place of 1 I can write cos square x plus sin square x. Let us do that now. Sin 2x which is equals to 2 sin x into cos x divided by, so here in place of 1 I can write cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x. So now see the RHS of the second standard result. Here we need 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದನೇ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ನಾವು divide each term by cos square x. Divide each term by cos square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, cos square x ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ sin 2x which is equals to 2 sin x cos x. So ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ರೇ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ cos square x. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವು ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದ್ರಿ, ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್ and then simplify this in the next step. Sin 2x which is equals to, so 2, then sin x divided by cos x will give us tan x, then whole divided by, so here we have 1 plus sin square x divided by cos square x will give us tan square x. So this becomes tan square x. So hence we have proved the second standard result also. So this is the another formula for sin 2x. So which one you are going to use? 2 sin x cos x or 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So that depends on the given question. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್. Well, the next one it is tan 2x which is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So this is the double angle formula for tan. Let us derive this. We know that tan of x plus y, so we have derived this in our previous class. So tan of x plus y which is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So this is the standard result. So now here we have tan 2x. That means we have to replace y by x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y place ದಾಗ x ಬರದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x plus x ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ 2x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that is why replace y by x. So here we get tan x plus x which is equals to tan of x plus x which is equals to tan x plus tan x, because in place of y I have to write x, then whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x. Tan x into tan x. So now tan x plus x will be 2x. So it becomes 2x tan 2x which is equals to tan x plus tan x add ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, we get 2 times tan x divided by 1 minus, so here we have to multiply these two, tan x into tan x will be tan square x, So this is the standard result of double angle tangent. Tan ಅಂದರೆ tangent ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So you have to remember this standard result. Well, next we are moving on to triple angle. So here we have sin 3x. Till now we have discussed about sin 2x, cos 2x and then tan 2x formulas. Now we are moving on to triple angle, sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x. So the formula for sin 3x, it is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So this is our LHS and this is going to be our RHS. So I'll be taking the LHS here, LHS which is equals to which is equals to sine 3x, sine 3x. So now LHS which is equals to sine 3x can be written as sine 2x plus x. Bariboudri itara 3x I have written in the form of 2x plus x. Now this is in the form of sine of x plus y. What is the formula for sine of x plus y? Sine of x plus y, which is equals to sine x cos y plus cos x sin y. So this is a standard formula. So let us apply the formula for sine of x plus y. Here x is going to be 2x and y is going to be x. So make use of that standard result. LHS which is equals to sine x means it is 2x, sin x cos y into cos x plus cos x sin y, cos 2x into sin y. Y means it has to be x here. Then let us simplify this. So now here we have sin 2x and cos 2x. We have to write these two formulas in terms of sin x, because in the RHS we have only sin term, not cos. For cos 2x actually we have 4 formulas. ಹೌದ್ರಿ cos 2x ಗೆ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದಾವೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರು ಈಗ? We need only the sin term, that is cos 2x which is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. ಬರೀ sin term ಇರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು, because here in the RHS we have only sin term. So now sin 2x double angle formula is nothing but 2 sin x into cos x. So we have derived this in the today's class itself. Then cos x, write it as it is, plus cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x, and write this sin x as it is. So now let us simplify this further. LHS which is equals to then 2 I write it as it is, then sin x as it is. What do we have now? Cos x into cos x will be cos square x plus now multiply sin x with these two terms. Sin x into 1, it is sin x. Then here we have the minus sign, I write minus 2. Sin x into sin square x will be sin cube x into sin cube x into sin cube x. So now LHS which is equals to 2 sin x. Here we have cos square x, and cos square x must be written in terms of sin square x, that is 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x andre 1 minus sin square x at bariboudri. Then plus write these two as it is, sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now multiply 2 sin x with these two terms now. So left hand side which is equals to, so here 2 sin x into 1 it is 2 sin x. 2 sin x into 1 it is 2 sin x. Then minus 2 sin x into sin square x will be 2 sin cube x, and we have written the minus sign. 2 sin cube x plus write these two as it is, sin x minus sin cube x minus sin cube x. So now search for the like terms. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಜಾತಿ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 sin x ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x ಅದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ, 2 sin x plus sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 sin x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. And then minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x will give us minus 4 sin cube x. So that I have to write now. LHS which is equals to, see here I am going to add these two, we get 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So this is the required RHS, and hence we have proved the triple angle formula for sine. So this is all about sine 3x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೈನ್ 3 ಆಲ್ಫಾ, sin 3 alpha which is equals to 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಎ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ sin 3x. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿರೈವ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ cos 3x. Well, let us derive the cos 3x formula. Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So here we'll go for this. So take the LHS like the previous case. So it is the left hand side. Then here it has to be cos 3x. Cos 3x. Then how do you write this 3x now? 2x plus x. So left hand side which is equals to cos 2x plus x. Then we know the formula for cos of x plus y. It is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So here cos x, x means 2x, cos x cos y, it is cos x. y ಅಂದರೆ x ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, x ಅಂದರೆ 2x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, that is sin 2x into sin x. Now here we have cos 2x and sin 2x. We have to write these two formulas. So LHS which is equals to cos 2x ನಾಲ್ಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ cos 2x which is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. In the previous case we have used 1 minus 2 sin square x, because there in the RHS it contained only sin term. Here it is only cos. That is why I am going to make use of this particular formula. So now in place of cos 2x I write 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1. Write cos x as it is, then minus sin 2x is going to be 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x into sin x into sin x. So now left hand side which is equals to multiply cos x with these two terms. So cos x into 2 cos square x will give us 2 cos cube x. So it becomes 2 cos cube x minus cos x. Cos x into minus 1 will be minus cos x. Then minus 2, then minus 2. Here sin x into sin x will be sin square x. It is sin square x, and I write cos x as it is. So in the next step, sin square x must be written in terms of cos square x. That will be 1 minus cos square x. LHS which is equals to LHS which is equals to 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus cos x, then minus 2. So here sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x, then into cos x as it is, into cos x as it is. So now this cos x must be multiplied with the two terms considering the minus sign. So now LHS which is equals to 2 cos cube x minus cos x, then I write minus 2 as it is, then multiply cos x with these two terms. Cos x into 1 it is cos x, then minus cos x into cos square x will be cos cube x Now in the next step, multiply minus 2 with these two terms. If you have the strong basics, you can multiply cos x with these two terms and at the same time minus 2 with these two terms, or else you do like this. LHS, which is equals to 2 cos cube x, then minus cos x as it is, minus cos x, then multiply minus 2 with these two terms. We get minus 2 cos x, minus into minus, it is plus 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x. So now see here, 2 cos cube x and 2 cos cube x will give us 4 cos cube x, and then minus cos x minus 2 cos x will give us minus 3 times cos x. Left hand side, which is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So this is the required RHS. This is the required RHS. So let us write that now. LHS, which is equals to RHS, right hand side. So we have proved the result here, the triple angle formula for cos. So like this, anyone will be given in the annual exam. For example, sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, and then sin 3x, cos 3x, and then tan 3x. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. Well, the next one, it is tan 3x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So let us take this as LHS. So tan 3x in LHS ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So LHS, which is equals to tan 3x. So how do you write tan 3x? It is 2x plus x. So LHS, which is equals to tan 2x plus x. So now this is there in the form of tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿತ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So I am going to apply the standard formula. Tan x, it is tan 2x plus tan y, y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅದರಿ, divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, 1 minus tan x into tan y. So now left hand side, which is equals to tan 2x. Again for tan 2x we have the standard formula, double angle formula for tan. It is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So now plus, so what we have done here, in place of tan 2x I have substituted the formula and then write tan x as it is. So here tan x must be written as it is, tan x, then whole divided by 1 as it is, then minus, again in place of tan 2x we have to write the formula. So it is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x. Then write this tan x as it is. So see here, so I'll be writing the tan x as it is into tan x. So now ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕೀಗ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 1 minus tan square x ವಿತ್ tan x. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ, 1 minus tan square x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ, 1 minus tan square x. So let us do that now. here the left hand side which is equals to 2 tan x plus tan x into, so this term will be multiplied with tan x. We get 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x. Now whole divided by another LCM. It is 1 minus tan square x. That we have to write it as it is. Now whole divided by, simplify this now. 1 minus tan square x will be multiplied with 1. So we get 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x, and then these two terms will be multiplied, and then I write minus sign as it is. Then 2 tan x into tan x will give us 2 tan square x. 2 tan square x, then divided by, so this term 1 minus tan square x, because that is the LCM. So 1 minus tan square x as it is. So now this 1 minus tan square x and this 1 minus tan square x get cancels. We are left out with only these two terms. Left hand side which is equals to, numerator again 2 tan x plus tan x will be multiplied with these two terms. Tan x into 1, it is tan x, then minus tan x into tan square x, it will be tan cube x. Then divided by, so write these terms as it is. 1 minus tan square x, then minus 2 tan square x. So let us simplify this further. So left hand side which is equals to, what happens to the numerator now? 2 tan x plus tan x will be 3 tan x. So here we get 3 times tan x, then minus tan cube x as it is, divided by 1 minus, see here, minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x will be minus 3 tan square x. So now see the RHS of the given question now. 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x, and hence this is the required RHS. So here we have got left hand side which is equals to the right hand side. So this is all about the